सभापति जी। नमस्कार। Yes. Navneet Krishnan, what is your point? Navneet Krishnan, tell me.
1 minute.
Listen to Navneet Krishnan.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Listen to Navneet Krishnan.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Rengare, after Navneet Krishnan will call you. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, the central, I urge the central government to issue a necessary circular or notification to enable our member of parliament to contribute the Tamil Nadu floods.
Yes, it's already there.
No.
No, listen to me. Already, you must have read in the bulletin. Already, intimation is given to all MPs that they can contribute to the Tamil Nadu.
There is no legal hurdle.
Yes, yes, it is there. Up to 1 crore you can contribute. I am going to contribute. I would request all honorable MPs to contribute. It is already, decision is there. We have already taken. I am also going to contribute 1 crore.
Thank you.
Yeah, please do that.
Another 1 minute. Sir, the Union Public Service Commission examinations may be postponed by 2 months as requested by Honorable Chief Minister Amma.
Okay, that it is for the government to consider it.
It must be done.
Yeah,
sir.
That is a genuine. Mr. Minister, it's a genuine demand.
Yes.
Government should examine and consider it.
Requested the concerned ministry.
Okay. Yeah, very good. What is Rengarajan? Rengarajan.
Thank you very much.
Let me listen to Rengarajan also.
That you have offered 1 crore.
Suno, Rengarajan also. Please listen to Rengarajan also. Let me listen to Rengarajan. Rengarajan.
I thank you, Honorable Chair. I request all the members to contribute liberally to the Tamil Nadu up to 1 crore.
Yes. Rengarajan is also requesting the same thing. Contribute to Tamil Nadu flood relief fund. MPs are requested to contribute. What is Raja? Same thing. We are all one with Tamil Nadu. See, in this hour of crisis, we are all with Tamil Nadu. Even the shouting members are with you. They will all contribute. I have no doubt about it. Yeah, Anand Sharma, yes. Anand Sharma, yes. Suniya, listen to Anand Sharma also.
एक मिनट
Anand Sharma.
Sir, I have to raise.
Please.
The
Yes, Anand Sharma. अरे सुनिए Anand Sharma को.
Kerala. I have to raise the issue of Kerala.
There is no flood in Kerala.
Sir,
No flood in Kerala. Why do you worry about Kerala?
Please, sir. This is the Council of States. The Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, is to go to Kerala.
He has already gone, I believe.
Yes, and he was.
No, please.
Sir, he has gone there.
No, listen to. Let me listen.
Sir.
Let me listen. Listen.
Sir.
Let me see what he is saying.
Sir,
No, please.
sir, the Prime Minister, when his visit was planned, the SNDP,
You also given notice.
the trust,
But what is the subject? I should know.
sir, I am explaining. Sir, the trust, SNDP, which had invited the Prime Minister
So what?
for a function to honor.
Let us see. Let me see. Okay. Yes.
Sir, Prime Minister has gone there
So what?
for the unveiling of the statue of the former Chief Minister of Kerala,
Yes. So
Shri
what?
R. Shankar. The SNDP had invited the Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Oommen Chandy,
Baito.
for the function which he accepted. The trust which is organizing the function also invited the Chief Minister to preside over the function which the Chief Minister accepted. The cards were printed. The Prime Minister to unveil the statue. Sir,
Anand Sharma
with the Chief
ji.
Minister to preside. Sir,
Anand
after
Sharma
that,
ji.
the organizers conveyed to the Chief
Yeah,
Minister
organizers
that they are under
did it.
pressure. Please, sir. Please, sir.
It is
They
the
were-
organizers.
Please, sir. I am going beyond that. Allow me, sir.
It is organized.
Please, sir, no. Please let me complete, sir. What happened then? That the organizers conveyed to the Chief Minister after the Chief Minister had accepted, invitation cards were printed, program was issued, Chief Minister to
So
preside,
what?
to withdraw because they were under pressure. Then there was a call made by OSD to the Prime Minister, directly to the Chief Minister, saying that it has now been conveyed to us that you have agreed to withdraw from the function. Is that correct? To which the Chief
No,
Minister
when you make
confirmed.
statements, you should be
Sir,
sure.
Sir,
No. When
what is happening?
when you make such statements,
How is this a
you should be
I will tell you.
absolutely sure about
this has
that.
been happening.
No, Anand Sharma ji,
Sir, Mr.
When
Deputy
they are being
Chairman,
insulted. It has happened
a
in.
private organization,
No.
the SNDP, invites the Prime Minister and the Chief
No.
Minister. There is a case registered against the Secretary General of that organization by the state government. They get angry, they withdraw the invitation to the Chief Minister. How is the government of India responsible?
how do you say no?
That's not true.
How do you say no? Yes. Now the point is, no. See, no. See, on this issue, yes, Balgopal, see, on this issue, I have, see, on this issue, there is notice. Now, Anand Sharma ji, on this issue, there is notice of Sri Balgopal also. But the question is very simple, that SNDP is a private organization. They may invite or they may not invite. How can you raise it here? That is a political issue, sort it out there. Sort it out there. It is a political issue, sort out there. Yes. It is a private organization. Yeah.
सर आज सुबह से पंजाब का मुद्दा एक दलित समुदाय से संबंधित एक मुद्दा उठ रहा है। आज जो है वो बिल्कुल उचित समय है जब शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एट्रोसिटीज अमेंडमेंट बिल 2015 पर डिस्कशन हो जाए। और फॉर्चुनेटली ये SC/ST बिल जो है वो आज लिस्टेड भी है। हमारा आपसे अनुरोध है कि मिनिस्टर इज अवेलेबल, मिनिस्टर इज हियर, और SC/ST बिल पर जो है वो अभी तत्काल डिस्कशन हो जाए, क्योंकि आज सुबह से वही मुद्दा चल रहा है। तो इसलिए जो है अगर जो है वो हमारे साथी ऑनेस्ट है, अगर हमारे साथी समझते हैं कि SC/ST पर जो है वो अन्याय अत्याचार नहीं होना चाहिए, यस न्याय होना चाहिए, तो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग तो प्लीज स्टार्ट डिस्कशन ऑन द शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब बिल 2015.
I think, yes. Now the shouting members, this is SC/ST bill, I am going to take it up. SC/ST bill. SC/ST bill, Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities, Amendment Bill 2015, Sri Tawal Chand Galot.
सभापति महोदय, मैं अनुसूचित जाति और अनुसूचित जनजाति अत्याचार निवारण संशोधन विधेयक 2014 विचारार्थ प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। सर सर
मिनिस्टर ऑलरेडी मूव द बिल, और अगर जो है वो दलितों के हितों की चिंता है तो आप इस पर चर्चा करिए, चर्चा नहीं होती सर।
SC/ST, you proceed.
He already moved. He already moved. मैंने
Already moved. So, motion moved. No speaking.
No speaking, sir. No speaking.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
बोलो.
माननीय
You speak.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय,
Please speak.
देश में अनुसूचित जाति और जनजाति वर्ग के लोगों के साथ अन्याय और अत्याचार की घटनाएं होती है। उनको न्याय मिलना चाहिए, उनको पर्याप्त न्याय मिलना चाहिए, परंतु जो न्याय व्यवस्था है उनको ठीक से वकालत करने की सुविधा नहीं मिलती है। उनको पैरवी करने के साथ साथ आने जाना और कोर्ट में केस लड़ने की आसानी से सुविधा नहीं मिलती है, दिक्कत आती है।
I request
और
Anand Sharma.
उसका परिणाम ये हो रहा
This
है
SC/ST bill, why don't you allow it to pass?
संख्या बढ़ती जा रही है और अपराधियों को दंड कम मिल रहा है। इसलिए अनुसूचित जाति और अनुसूचित जनजाति संशोधन विधेयक 2014 में संशोधन के माध्यम से हम संशोधन का प्रस्ताव करते हैं। मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि इसको बिना चर्चा के ही पास करवाने की अगर व्यवस्था हो जाए तो कराने का कष्ट करें।
Total contradiction. चलो पास हो जाए. Hello, please. What did you say?
सर एक तरफ से दलित को जिंदा जलाया जा रहा है और उनके पांव काट दिए जाते हैं रूलिंग पार्टी के ऑफिस बेयर्स की तरफ से, और दूसरी तरफ से बिल की बात करते हैं। पहले एक्शन ले लें उस सरकार के खिलाफ जो दलित के साथ इस तरह का, चाहे वो हरियाणा की सरकार हो, पंजाब की सरकार।
सर इनकी जो है वो ईमानदारी देखिए दलितों के प्रति। दलितों के प्रति ये ईमानदार है कि एक दलितों के न्याय दिलाने के लिए एक बिल इसी सदन में आता है, उस पर चर्चा करने को तैयार नहीं, उस पर पास करने को तैयार नहीं और केवल राजनीति करना चाहते हैं। जहाँ तक वहाँ राज्य सरकार का सवाल है, राज्य सरकार ने
My request is to allow to pass this bill. This is the SC/ST bill.
जाएगा।
House is adjourned up to 3 p.m.